Hello and welcome to the Online Academy of Irish Music, OAIM. My name is Jean Damey. I'm a student of the MA Irish Traditional Music Performance. I completed my BA in Irish Music in the University of Limerick as well. So I am here to teach you how to back simple tunes in standard tuning in an Irish traditional style. The aim of these lessons is to provide you with enough knowledge to be able to back simple tunes in sessions. So I'm gonna start off with a simple tune, a reel in D major called the Mountain Road. Reels are amongst the most played tunes in Irish music, reels and jigs. So we're gonna start off with this tune now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rhythmical structure of a reel is fairly simple. It's 4/4, which is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So let's start with the right hand first. The right hand is doing down up strokes all the time. So it's important to stay regular and try to put the same amount of strength in both down and up strokes. Always regular. So you can practice this without playing chords until your right hand becomes comfortable. One, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the chords I play in these tunes are 4 basic chords that you could use in most D major tunes. So I start with a D major chord. I play then a D major chord with the F sharp bass. So I play the F sharp by putting my thumb on the 2nd fret. Then you've got a G chord and A major chord. So you can play this A major chord in 2 different ways. You can put your 3 fingers there, or do a bar chords. So whatever feels more comfortable for you, both are right. So you can try to start by practicing the real rhythm, stay very regular, and put the same amount of strength. G, A, D. Always mind the strings that you don't want to play. By example, when you play the D major chord, you don't want to have the A on top of that, or the E strings. So I just mute the E string with my thumb and aim for the D. Same when you're playing the F a bit further and then mute the 2nd string. And same for the A. You don't want to have the E ringing on top. So. And last thing, when you play those chords, be careful not to bend the strings. it would sound like this. So try always to have your fingers straight and have a clean and precise tone.